Hi everyone. We're going to graph the secant line and find the equation of the secant line for this number 2 here. From -1 to 2. We're going to have to find our y values. So basically, the secant line is actually the average rate of change equals the slope of this curve right in here between 2 points. So this is the secant line right there. And we're going to write the equation of the secant line by extending this secant line like that. So basically we're going from -1 to 2. So I need to find my y values. So plug in -1. You get -1 squared minus 4. That's going to equal -3. And for f of 2, we're going to get 2 squared minus 4, which is 0. Now since we have our 2 points, we're just going to find our slope, which is our secant line. And we'll go 0 minus a -3 divided by 2 minus a -1. So that's going to be 3 divided by 3, which is 1. Now to find your equation, you just write y equals mx plus b. Our slope is just 1, so that's y equals x plus b. Plug in one of these. Let's plug in this one. So you get 0 equals our x is 2 plus b. So clearly b is -2. And then just plug that back in. So your equation of your secant line is y equals x minus 2. All right. Now let's try to graph this. And I need to know these 2 points, -1, -3, and 2 to 0. Well, this one right here is just the quadratic parent function shifted down by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You factor it. Oops. So you get 0. To find your x-intercepts, you just factor this. We're going through 2 and -2. This one's an easy one to graph. Now, let's go ahead and graph. I like to graph these two to make sure the graph's better. So -1 maps to -3, and 2 goes to 0, which we already have that one. So let's connect this all together. Just sketch a graph here. All right. Now, what they want to know is this point from here to here. The average rate of change of this curve right there. So you just connect those 2 points right there. Which recall this is y equals x minus 2. This is our secant line. And you can go ahead and extend that because this was just a slope of 1 here. All right, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.